Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12X, and today I will show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. And if I lock the device, you should be able to see that I do have a pattern set right here. And I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So to get started, let's hold the power key. From here, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key, and I believe it's volume up. So let's try that. And there we go. As you can see, when I was letting go of the power key, it accepted reboot. So I need to go back using volume keys. And again, confirm that with power key. And from here, you want to select wipe data. Then wipe all data and confirm. This will begin the process, and as you can see, in like a couple seconds, it gives you this message right here: data wipe successful. So select power key, power, and this will now take us back to Android. Now before it actually does, it needs to finish up the factory reset of the device in the background, so give it a couple of minutes to do that, and yeah, once it's finished, setup screen should be visible. So I'll be back once that is actually on my screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.